First value, which is very close to our heart, is building for family. And that as a value helps us, decide how we build things and what kind of colleagues we get on board in the company. Because the idea really is that don't make anything in the company or don't get someone in the company whom you're not comfortable with handling your own personal family's case. I'll give an example. I think the first test that we did was for my son. He was like just 1.5 years old at the time. And it was important to us. It was important to both of us that when someone goes from Orange Health Labs to our home, we are able to trust our own child's life with them, our own spouse's health with them. And we always built and taken decisions in line with that value. The second one, I think we say is doctors first, and not in a way that, it puts patients second necessarily. What we realize is in that healthcare, right, the doctor is the most knowledgeable person, and he's the final user of our reports. And as a final user of our reports who's actually in charge of taking care of patients' health, he needs to be truly empowered, and a diagnostic lab must respond to giving them the kind of quality that they want. Getting their trust is very important. And also as a patient, you don't want an experience where you go with a report of a diagnostic lab and the doctor is not entirely convinced that, this is of the quality that they would expect for their patient. So bearing with that in mind, we always made sure that doctors get the kind of quality that they want. We are the only laboratory that promises doctors a guarantee on a test. So for example, if your doctor says, I want a rerun of the test, or I want a reconnection, or I want a comparison with another lab, we just do it free of cost. That's an Orange Health guarantee to all doctors in this country. And on top of that, we make sure that, even when you're placing an order on our app, we, much like how it is the norm in developed countries, we ask for your prescribing doctor so that we can share the reports with them, and so that your doctor has access to us in case they want to have follow-up questions on the kind of results you've got. So we've done a lot of work around keeping doctors in mind while building Orange Health Lab.